It's back to school season. While the kids hit the books, it's your time to stitch, create, and have fun again with Hatch Embroidery. Hatch Embroidery Digitizer is the ultimate software for hobbyists and small business creators. And right now, you can save $200 during our back-to-school promotion, making it the perfect opportunity for beginning your Hatch journey. Plus, you'll also get full access to the Hatch Academy, including our special How to Digitize course, a $1,299 bonus. Also available as an app from the Apple and Google Play Store, you can learn anytime and anywhere. The Academy features over 400 lessons, catering to both beginners and experienced embroiderers, created by our very own Will.com experts. This makes it the easiest digitizing software for you to learn, enabling you to achieve professional quality embroidery results. Want more? Save big with our Mega Pack, Upgrade Pack, and 50% off our selection of font packs. The Mega Pack is our best deal yet. You'll get Hatch Embroidery Digitizer, Corel Draw, cross-stitch tools, the complete 25 font packs, and all 4 keyboard design collections, together worth over $4,800. But during back to school, it's yours for just $1,799. That's a massive 64% saving. And for those who already own other Hatch software, upgrades to Digitizer are $200 off too. So don't miss this limited time offer. Only until midnight, Sunday, September 7th. Save big today at hatchembroidery.com. Back to school for them means back to creating for you with Hatch Embroidery, your #1 choice for hobby and home business software.